What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to hide locked chats on WhatsApp. So, as you know, if you just lock a chat on WhatsApp, the chat is already hidden. So as you can see, you can lock chats on chats to add an extra layer of privacy to your chats. Locked chats will be hidden from your chats list in the locked chats folder. So you necessarily don't need any extra step to lock your or hide your chat. So to read and send message in a locked chat, you must unlock your chats using devices authentication such as your phone's passcode, Face ID, fingerprint, or with a secret code of your choice. When chats are locked, the notification content and content information are hidden. So as you know, if you once lock a chat, it will be hidden by default. Notifications will show as WhatsApp on your message. So let me just tell you the steps how you can just lock your chat or turn off the lock chat. You can turn chat lock off or on for any chat, including group chats and muted chats. If you don't have your device authentication set up yet, such as your phone passcode, fingerprint, you will be prompted to set it up before locking a chat. তুই কি কষি দিবি? হইছে? To turn chat lock on or off, just tap and hold the chat you want to lock or unlock and then tap the three dots icon. Then tap lock chat or unlock chat. So you have to create a secret code. After turning your chat lock on, you can lock your chats with a secret code separate from your phone's passcode. Tap lock chats, then three dots icon, then chat lock settings, and then secret code. Enter your code and tap next and enter your code again to confirm. Then tap on done. To turn off your secret code, tap lock chats and tap the three dots icon. Go to chat lock settings, secret code, and go to turn off and tap on continue. If you want to view your locked chats folder as they are hidden, you can view your locked chats by scrolling down on your chat list and tapping locked chats. You can also choose to hide your locked chats folder so it doesn't appear in your chat list by going to your locked chat folder or settings tab hide locked chats on. To view your locked chats, go to chats tab and scroll down to tab locked chats. If you have hidden your locked chats folder, enter your secret code into the search bar and tap locked chats. Touch the fingerprint sensor to unlock, tap the chat to view or send a message. So yeah, these are the ways with which you can just hide locked chats on WhatsApp. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next one.